ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7 and the ratio of their expenditures is 4:3. If each of them manage to save 2000 per month, find their monthly income. It is given ratio of incomes and also ratio of expenditures. We have to find their monthly income and they are managed to save 2000 per month. Now the ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7. If ratio of persons is 9:7, we have to take one ratio factor. Ratio of expenditures is 4:3. If ratio factor is y, then their expenditure is 4y and 3y. Expenditure are 4y, 3y. Saving is nothing but income and difference between income and expenditure. Now see, by the problem saving of first person is 2000. Saving of first person is nothing but his income 9x minus his expenditure 4y is equal to his saving, that is 2000. Let this one as first equation. And when you see second person's income is 7x and his expenditure is 3y. He is also manages to save 2000 rupees. Let this one as second equation. See both equations. From this you can find x and y values by either method, substitution or elimination. First, if you want to use elimination method, you have to equate any variable's coefficient. See, I am taking y. Here coefficients of y is 4 and 3. So take LCM for this 4 and 3. LCM is 12. To get 12 in first equation, you have to multiply 4 with 3. So do first equation into 3 minus in second equation to get 12, second equation into here 3y. To get 12 you have to multiply with 4. When we do this, we get 3 into first equation, 9 3s are 27x minus 4 into 3, 12y equal to 3 2s are 6000. Again 4 into second equation, that is nothing but 4 7s are 28x minus 4 3s are 12y equal to 4 2s are 8000. We are subtracting, so you have to change the notation. Minus becomes plus and here minus. 27x minus 28x gives minus x. Minus 12y plus 12y get cancelled. 6000 minus 8000 gives minus 2000. Minus x is equal to minus 2000. From this you will get minus x is equal to minus 2000, then x is equal to 2000. Now incomes of two persons is 9x and 7x. Therefore first person income is equal to 9x, that is 9 into 2000 is equal to 18,000. Therefore first person's income is 18,000 and second person income is 7x. 7x is nothing but 7 into 2000, that is nothing but 14,000. So 18,000 and 14,000 are their incomes. From this you can find, if you substitute x value in either equation, first or second, you will get y value. If you get y value, you can find their expenditures also.